In this video, we're going to go ahead and go over how to freeze rows in a Google Sheet. So on the left-hand side of our screen, rows 1 through I think it's 1000 are called rows, okay? A through I believe BY, these are called columns, okay? But if we click 2, even row 1, these are called rows. So sometimes in our Google Sheet, we are going to want to freeze certain rows. And the reason why we're doing so is because sometimes we may get a lot of data that goes all the way down until, let's say, for example, row 50. Well, if we're looking at row 50 right now, we cannot see, our format of our Google Sheet because there's so much data in our sheet. So we're going to go ahead and learn how to freeze row 1. So if we're looking at row 50, that you can still see row 1. So for example, we're going to go ahead and go to View. You're going to hit Freeze and up to current row 1. And it works like that because I went and highlighted row 1 originally. So whichever rows you want to freeze, you have to go ahead and highlight them, go to View, Freeze, up to current row 1, and now row 1 is frozen. So if we want to go ahead and look at row 50 again, if there was data here, you would go ahead and see what column that data is in because row 1 is frozen. And that is how you go ahead and freeze a row in Google Sheets.